All right. Sorry for the scruff McGruff look. But look, the rock sliders came in from Cali-Raised. We're gonna mount these on the 4Runner. Pretty good job of packaging. I already took a quick look at it, but it'd be good just for future reference for those of you who would like to purchase these rock sliders from Cali-Raised. They did a phenomenal job with the lead time. These were originally estimated, I believe, 6 to 8 weeks, but then I got these like within a few weeks or a couple weeks. So thank you guys, and I can't wait to rock these rock sliders on the 4Runner. All right, let's take a look. For a more comprehensive guide to install the rock slider on your 4Runner, be sure to check out Cali-Raised YouTube channel. For what I'm doing, I'm just bringing you guys along, enjoying the process. So if I miss anything, be sure to check these guys out. They'll probably fill in the blanks, and it looks like I need to do some learning. So, all right, let's get to it. So here's a brief overview of the hardware included with the Cali-Raised rock slider. Now this is going to be your main set of fasteners, and I believe these are M8. And then it comes with you want to set them up with the split lock washer and then your flat washer. So that's the same combo. And then you have these extensions, which are going to be used to claw the rock sliders onto the frame. And then you're going to have these bolts right here, which is going to mount these brackets that are going to be going on the driver's side rock sliders. And then last but not least is this pack of hardware, and this is used to mount the filler plate or the little platform onto the rock slider. So we're gonna start with this set first, and then we're gonna eventually get to this part once we get the rock sliders on the 4Runner. All right, so change of plans. We are not working on the 4Runner on the street. We're gonna do it legit. I found a spot up in Kirkland. It's called Stu's Garage. It's a self-serve garage or self-service garage. Kind of like an auto hobby. It has a bunch of garage bays that you can rent out and a bunch of lifts, whether it be 4-post or drive-on, and very affordable. Please check out their website for details on pricing, but they rent out by the hour, and they have a full service toolkit, knowledgeable staff on hand, and of course, plenty of space to work on your vehicle of choice. So we're gonna bring the rock sliders over there. I booked an appointment already for later this week. I think I should be able to knock it out within a few hours. I gave myself just 2 hours to, just in case anything happens, but I think I can get it done in an hour. We'll see, as long as everything builds up perfectly. But anyways, I think that'll be the best solution out of this whole situation when I don't have a garage and whatnot, and I think it's probably the more fitted life way, as I like to say it. So we're gonna get it done, and I'll see you there. Here in Kirkland. Super heavy. But as you can see, it's a huge bag. Plenty of tools. Perfect for whatever you need to do. And I got my assistant behind the camera, Noah. Say hi. This guy right here. What's up? What's up? So the plan is to install the rock sliders. Thank God we have the 4-post lift, so we'll be able to prop the rails on and then install them. And then we'll just have plenty of space. This should be fairly straightforward. Pretty easy. Let's get to it. All right, so the first thing we gotta do is to remove these little covers. They go lengthways down from the rail, and then this will allow it to make it flat. to the bracket, and then we should be able to slide it on. That should be it. Also, there should be an e-brake cable right here, and then this needs to be removed as well, this bolt right here. So the plugs are removed, and then also we unfasten the e-brake cable bracket, and then this is all lined up already. So now it's time to muscle it into place, hopefully hold it with a few bolts, and I think we should be good to go. So here's the claw mechanism that I was referencing earlier when we were unboxing the rails. This is how it looks like. You got that little claw piece, and that claw just gets inserted here where there was a plug, and then it just tightens it down, and then it brings this rock rail up onto the frame. So there's one piece right here, and there's another one that's kind of tucked behind the muffler. And then while we're under here, let's go ahead and take a look at the beautiful transfer case.
Well, it's farther away on the side.
Why? What do you mean?
What?
What? What are you saying?
The car is like farther, like on this skid. It's shifted.
Oh, I see.
To that skid.
It's fine, dude. It's fine. All right, so the passenger side rails are done. That looks pretty cool. That wasn't too bad. So now we gotta do this side. Right there. So here is the driver's side. This one's a little different because we have the gas tank skid plate, but we're just gonna put these bolts temporarily, and then we're gonna put this one above and then sandwich it up. So that should do the trick. And then I got to do the plugs again. Then also the e-brake bracket right there. All right, so the driver's side rails are done in the nick of time. Yep, these look pretty solid. They're a little tricky, but we got them. Yeah, just be a little cautious on alignment. So this was the tricky bolt right here. So we had to loosen everything and make sure that everything was, all the bolts were in first before we tighten it down. But yeah, that did the trick. Bam. See if it works. We gotta test it, of course. We gotta test it. Why did it feel like it fell? Cool. All right. Awesome.